Hello, today we're going to learn how to create multiple categories in Virtuemart and link them to the menu. First, when you're in Joomla backend, go to Components, then Virtuemart. Once in Virtuemart, go to List Categories. Here's the categories that you already have. We're going to make a subcategory for jewelry. Go to New, enter your category name, and for this example I'm just going to use Test. Here you can put your description of the category. Down here it says parent. The parent for this one's going to be jewelry, and we're just going to assume that Test is a brand of jewelry, so this would be a subcategory for jewelry. And to make sure you did it right, you'll see jewelry and then which has a 1 beside it, saying that that's a parent category, and then Test right here has a 2 beside it, telling you that that's a child category or a subcategory. Now we're going to list products, and these three right here are jewelry, so we're just gonna, for this example, put these in the test subcategory. Click on your product name. Then over here on categories, you have to hold down Control on the keyboard, CTRL, and click on the other categories you may want, and you can select any of them you want, and if you want to deselect, just keep holding Control and clicking. So for this example, we're gonna keep jewelry and select test also. Now go to save and click product list to go back to the list, and I'm gonna do that for these other two right here also. And if you forget which button I'm talking about, you can just put your mouse over this little eye right here. It'll tell you to multi-select. Use the control key on the mouse. So alright, now that we have these three products right here in jewelry category and the subcategory test, you're able to see that under the category right here. Now we're going to add the subcategory test to the menu. In order to do that, we need to know the ID for the category. So go over here to list categories, and whenever I'm talking about the ID, that is this column right here, and we can see that test category is ID 6. So go to menus, and in this case I'm using the main menu, and then over here we're going to put this one underneath jewelry. So go to new, Virtuemart. We're just going to call this test, assuming that that is a brand. Over here under parent item, we're going to select jewelry because we want it to be under that. Over here under parameters, component, click that, and it'll drop down. For the category ID, we're going to put 6 because that's the category ID for test. Now go to save. We're going to go over here to our website, and we're just going to refresh it. Under shop, now you'll notice there's an arrow beside jewelry and then test. So you'll just click that, and from here it'll have the products that we added to test. If you have any more questions or need training videos for anything else, please visit greenthumbmarketing.com and go to request support video. Thank you for listening.